tell me which that is the snake. Okay. Which one is monkey? Monkey. Which one is monkey? Very good. Can you match the word monkey with? Yeah, very good, girl. And next one, tell me which word? Which word is dog? D, no no, dog. No, it's not. Dog. Wow, very good. Okay, which word is bird? Bird. Let's match. Very good. And which word is bear? Bear. No, bear.
Bear.
Very good.